1956 Peacock Blue Turquoise Thunderbird, a fresh 2025 restoration, two tops, the 312 225 horsepower Thunderbird Special V8 with a Ford-O-Matic 3-speed automatic transmission, Ford's Masterguide power steering, T-Bird AM, FM, iPod, iPad, allowing you also to play the music, play your own music from your iPhone. New Peacock Blue and white interior with correct embossments installed in Mentor's Thunderbird Restoration Facility. Thunderbird Air Conditioning, Ford's Accessory engine dress-up kit, also Ford's Accessory backup light system. Odometer is 12,221 miles. Mentor's exclusive cooling package, allowing her to run cooler than she did in 1956. She's got the carburetor manifold distributor upgrade to the modern four-barrel Holley carburetor, Thunderbird wire wheels for the Peacock Blue center, and Radial wide Whitewall tires. The bottom side and the frame of the body and frame has been refinished. Both tops consist of a Colonial white Porto hardtop and a new Peacock Blue Tonneau top. She has the new late style 1956 Vertex truck mat that has been fitted and installed in Mentor's Thunderbird Restoration Facility. She has new PPG acrylic urethane enamel with clear coat, color sanded and show buffed. Original 1956 Ford Motor Company's factory invoice for documentation. Electronic ignition, eliminating the needs of points in condenser. The most important thing before restoration, she was reported to be owned only in low humidity climates of California and Texas. Prior history on the car was Gil Baumgartner, the past concourse chairman for the National Thunderbird Club for decades, located this car. He aligned it up for Bill Mann, and then Bill Mann aligned it up for me to purchase the car as well. So this is the freshest, highest quality 2025 restoration of a Peacock Blue Thunderbird, and she's available today, and she's definitely for a particular collector.